Now, I'm going to keep the RPMs down pretty low so that you can kind of hear me talk, because it does get pretty loud. And I'm going pretty slow just because I want to be able to talk and explain. So what we're doing is you kind of lean with the upper arm here. It doesn't act like a steering wheel. It doesn't have a lot of give, but you're just applying some pressure, and you're basically moving the machine a half of an inch while it's rolling. And so that's how you're able to get it to move. So I came in this diagonal. Now I'm going to go forward, and I'm just going to lean to this side, and now I'm going to straighten out. So again, I'm just going to do a bunch of vertical runs here, then I'll do some diagonals, and then I'll do some laterals. I just want to hit this from all directions. Now I'm going to go up the green a little bit. And again, I'm not trying to turn the whole item because I don't want it to catch and then try and pull on the turf. So I'm just moving it a little bit. Now you can see, I mean, I'm coming at quite a bit of an angle now rather than being just vertical. But so plan on spending quite a bit of time rolling a green, because you really got to get it from all directions, and you really want to flatten the blades out, because that's what's going to reduce the chatter on the green. And the chatter is when the ball rolls across it and it's skipping. And it seems like it's hitting a bunch of these little invisible bumps, and really what it's doing is hitting the sand, it's hitting the grass fibers that are sticking up. But you can honestly plan on spending a few hours with a big machine, upwards to maybe 2 full 5-6 hour days with a water drum roller rolling this in order to get the fibers to press and get it at the stimp speed you need it to be.